Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to be giving you some driving tips as I drive along. Now the lessons, I've got a lot of videos teaching driving online. So if you want to go for your driving test or you're just learning to drive, there's a full course on YouTube. All you have to do is go on YouTube, talk to your phone, or you could type the word in driving buddy system. That's driving BUDDYSYSTEM. Just type those words in and then you say the topic that you'd like. So let's say you wanted to do parallel parking. You would say driving buddy system parallel parking, and then it will come up. So all you have to do is touch on it and you will be taught how to parallel park. If you want to do 3-point turn, same thing, driving buddy system 3-point turn. So whatever it is you need to learn, it's there. All you have to do is listen and watch it, and then you can go out and practice it. And all my students, before they go for their driving test, they have to be able to do all these things because they're time sensitive. The time it takes to do 3-point turn is exactly how it's done on the driving test, so you can trust these videos. Okay, okay, I'm not going to be answering that call. So here we go. So remember now, any topic you need to learn or practice, just say driving buddy system, whatever it is. You want to go park uphill, you say driving buddy system uphill parking. So the car's already on and we're gonna go driving. So I'm in a park right now. I'm in a park and we're gonna be leaving, so of course I have to check around to make sure everything is good. I put my left signal on, do my final checking around, and then I drive off. Now I'm gonna be making a right turn out here onto the main street. So I have my right signal on, I check to the left and right, and it's safe, so I proceed. Now right here I'm gonna be going to the right, and see the sign, it's telling you it's a yield. So I'm gonna be going over there, so I put my left signal on and there's a yield sign. Then I have to check real well, real good. See, there's a car there, so if I did not check I would have been hit. Okay, so you don't just drive out onto a roadway, you have to make sure you're checking. Okay, so as I go along, anything that I need to point out to you, I will. And of course, I'd like you to like and subscribe to this video. And if the video, if the recording stops in a hurry, don't hate me. Just give me a like, even if you don't like it, give me a like anyway, and subscribe. Okay, so we're just gonna drive along and I'm gonna point out various things to you. Okay, this is a 50 zone. I'm actually doing 60, and there's a police. Yeah, police right here, so I have to be careful. Now it was 50 back there, and there's a sign 70 begins, so I'm gonna get up to 70. Notice we have double yellow lines, so it means no overtaking in this area. So it was 70 back there, but look at it now, there's a sign 80 begins. So now I'm at 80. See, all along here you have the double lines because it's not safe to overtake. Left turn lane, and that's a left turn lane for someone coming this way. Alright, so it's all double yellow lines, no overtaking, still 80 kilometers an hour. And it's a dull day here in Canada. It's overcast, and this is November 2024. Now we have the broken yellow lines. So it means if there was a car in front of me and they're doing 60 in an 80 zone, if it's safe, I could overtake them in this area. But notice what's happening here. You have a solid yellow line and a broken line. The idea is not to overtake. Okay, so look straight down the road. I'm going up a hill right now, and then I'm gonna be going down a hill. Now the idea is to keep your car in the middle of the lane.